How to access our website. Go to any browser and type search creators. Click on the first link. Now you have entered our home page where 50k plus study materials are available along with 1000 plus project ideas. We have 10 plus expert members in our team and we also support 50 plus engineering domains. In navigation bar, select University study materials. There are three streams available: computer science, information science, and artificial intelligence and data science. For now, we will click on computer science. Now we will be able to access all the study materials of different subjects of different semesters. Hello everyone, welcome to Search Creators YouTube channel, your trusted partner for innovative tech solutions and study materials. In this video, we will know about bivariate statistics of Module 2. Bivariate statistics has various measures to describe the relationship between two variables, but two important bivariate statistics are covariance and correlation. So let's start with covariance, where covariance measures the joint variability of two variables, which means it tells you whether increase in one variable will increase in other variable or decrease in another variable. Mathematically, covariance between two variables x and y is defined as covariance x y equals 1 by n summation of n I minus 1 xi minus e of x yi minus e of y, which means where xi and y are individual data points from variable x and y. E of x and E of y are means of x and y. N is the number of data points. And these are the three main sub parts of covariance, which are positive covariance, negative covariance and zero covariance, where positive covariance described as one variable increase, the other variable also increase. The negative covariance described as one variable increase, the other variable decrease. Whereas in zero covariance, no linear relationship between the variables. The next bivariate statistics is correlation. While covariance measures the direction of the relationship, correlation quantifies the strength relationship between two variables. The most common measure of the correlation is the percent correlation coefficient. So this formula represents the correlation where rho equals covariance of x, y by sigma x and sigma y, where covariance of x, y is the covariance between x and y. Sigma x and sigma y are the standard deviation of x and y respectively. The value of rho ranges from -1 to +1, where +1 defines the perfect positive correlation, -1 represents the perfect negative correlation, and 0 represents no linear relationship between x and y. So this was all about bivariate statistics. For the further updates in the module 2, keep watching Search Creators YouTube channel. For the study materials of Module 2, please access it from our website. The link to our website is mentioned below in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.